Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 225 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to unlock the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper right button, then press it again to unlock the watch. Now press the down button right here to scroll through the menu, find the settings option and select it, and once you select the settings option, press the right upper button to enter. Now scroll down, find the option called the system, select it and press the right upper button to enter, and here you should see the language option. Select it and press the right upper, and now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by pressing the up and down buttons, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, select it and press the right upper button to confirm, and the language should be applied. And of course, once you're done, you can press the back button right here to go back to the main screen, the home screen. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.